Put ginger in your hair and see what happens. Ginger is one of the most powerful natural ingredients in terms of benefits and properties for our health. This root has been used to create a lot of natural remedies, but it is also used for beauty products. One of its uses is nothing less than for the hair, making it grow faster and naturally. So if you want to grow your hair faster, here we tell you how to prepare the natural treatment of ginger for hair. You will see that in a short time you have it longer. Natural ginger treatment for hair. Ginger is wonderful when it comes to promoting hair growth and giving strength and shine to the hair. In addition, using ginger for the hair can help you in a very favorable way to definitively eliminate the dandruff. Look at the natural ginger hair treatment, which will make your hair look like a soap opera actress in a few days. Ingredients: 1. A ginger root. 2. A spoonful of honey. 3. A spoonful of olive oil. Method of preparation and application: you only have to grate the ginger, then mix it with the other ingredients until forming a totally homogeneous mixture. Apply this powerful natural ginger-based hair treatment once a week, with damp hair, and let it act for 40 minutes, covering the hair with a bathing cap. Then wash your hair as you do in the usual way. Another tip to grow hair quickly: cut it frequently. Unlike what you think, cutting the ends of the hair can make you grow faster. This is because it will grow with more strength. Open tips do not allow it to grow properly. You can take into account the phases of the moon. For example, in the growing quarter is when they say that it grows faster.